Hi there, students. A turncoat. Okay, if you call somebody a turncoat, you're saying that you think they are disloyal, that they've changed sides, that they've joined the opposition. Yeah, you're saying that this person is a traitor. He had many admirers in the past, but then he changed political party and became a turncoat. Okay, so a turncoat is somebody who turns against their previous master, their previous affiliation, their previous allegiance. A defector. So during the Cold War, people who defected from Russia were turncoats. Or maybe you could call Anthony Blunt a turncoat working for the Russians. So a turncoat, an apostate, a renegade, somebody who changes sides, somebody who betrays their allegiances. So yeah, a turncoat. You change from one side or one opinion or following one thing to the opposite, and this is a turncoat. Let's look at the origin. In the old days, soldiers used to have their coats, and the inside of the coat was a very different colour to the outside of the coat. So if you turned your coat round, you changed the way that you look. For example, in the siege of Corfe Castle in the English Civil War, okay, the Cromwell's men were sieging it, and the people inside, the army, turned their coats. Yeah, they put their coats on inside out to match the colours of the people that were besieging them. Okay, or yeah, in American history, Benedict Arnold, General Benedict Arnold, was a turncoat. He defected from the Americans to the side of the British. Okay, yeah, was Oswald Mosley a turncoat? I don't know, because maybe I think he always believed in fascism, so you couldn't call him a turncoat because he didn't change sides, although he did support our enemies. Okay, so a turncoat, a person who changes side, who's disloyal, treason. Yeah. He used to be, he claims to be a great believer in green causes and environmental issues, but I call him a turncoat because he just bought a gas-guzzling four-wheel drive, yeah, which must use 3 litres to the kilometre of petrol. Yeah, okay, so like that, I would call him a turncoat. Okay, maybe somebody who lives in a town but supports a football team from somewhere else. His mates call him a turncoat. You're a turncoat. You should support our local team. Okay, so you can use this seriously, changing sides. Somebody who changes from one political party to another, a turncoat. Or maybe somebody who you could accuse somebody of being a turncoat for doing the opposite of what they say or what they profess. Yeah, or something to support the opposition. Okay, so formality. A turncoat. I think I'm going to give this a 5 in formality. I think use this absolutely anywhere. Notice as well, you can use it with a hyphen, turn hyphen coat, or even as 2 words, turncoat, or as 1 word, turncoat. But I would recommend using it as 1 word. So, yeah, a turncoat, somebody who betrays their initial cause, the cause that they support, who betrays the party or the group or the ideas that they were originally loyal to. And the origin, as I said, soldiers turning their coats inside out because the inside looked very different to the outside. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye. Bye for now. Turncoat.